I'm going to show you how to replace the seat bar position sensor and magnetic bushing on a 463 Bobcat. Keep watching our video, I'll show you how to do it. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace some parts on a Bobcat 463. What's actually going on is, for some time now, we've been having some problems with the Bobcat getting the bucket operating, and this is because the seat bar position sensor is malfunctioning. So what happens is you actually close this like that, and when you have it started up and you want to actually get going, the Bobcat will unlock once you press the button, but unfortunately the controls are gone. The sensor's not picking up the magnetic strip to tell the sensor that this bar is actually locked. So therefore we can't operate the Bobcat. We have to keep slamming it. And you've watched some of our other videos and you've seen us many times, myself, slam the bar a few times to try to get it going. This is why, because the sensor's gone. But we'll show you how we do that. We actually have the parts right here, brand new from Bobcat. So I'm just gonna unbox that now. Okay, so here is the magnetic bushing. So this is the magnetic bushing. It's got a little piece of metal, you can see. So this is the actual magnetic part that the sensor's reading. So we have that there. And then in this one, this is the seat bar magnetic sensor. So this just plugs in, and then when that bar is closed, locked down in place, there's a little magnetic sensor. It reads it reads that the bar is locked and safe to operate. And then once we get started to change that, you'll be able to see where it is. It's actually located right behind this channel right here. We have to access the screw here and two screws on the outside. But keep watching, and I'm gonna change that right now. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, there's a bolt right here that holds this bar into place. We don't have to take the spring off, but we have to remove this bolt, and there's another bolt behind here on the outside. But right now, there's this bolt is connected on both sides. I need to remove both of these, and then the one bolt underneath, and release this bar so that I can get access to the sensor. So we're gonna use a 2 9/16 ratchet. Okay, so we're inside the Bobcat now. This is the sensor harness. We're gonna take this off. This is the bushing. Now, we actually have to replace the bushing because it's cracked. I don't have that part with me right now, but we're still just gonna continue off disassembling this, and I will pick up the part and continue off. So this, we're just gonna unplug here. Just gonna press this down. Okay, and this is the sensor right here. We just wanna swing this out of the way and push it out a little bit. We have to get access behind here. There's a shaft where the screw is, and I have to remove this shaft. The screw has to come off this bolt on the outside. Okay, so we're back another day here at my Bobcat. We've been waiting on some parts. We got the parts in. So this is the bushing. And if you look, this is the broken one, as we just showed you before, and then this is the part, the new part that's going to go in. So now I'm ready to start assembling the pieces. So first, I'm actually going to just connect the new harness in, and this is the mechanism that's going to tell the Bobcat that the safety latch is down and insecure, so that the sensor will realize that the magnetic bushing is in place. Okay, so this guy is gonna, actually it's this one right here. So it's gonna go just like that. That should just click right into place, like so. So I'm ready to start the install. First, I'm just gonna use some WD-40 around the notch here. This is where the bolts and bushing and everything is gonna sit in place. There's a little notch here and it's just a little bit tough from the rust. So I'm just gonna give it a little spray just to make sure it's a little bit lubricated. Okay. Try this. Hopefully that just plops right in. We're just trying to turn it from the other side, just like that. There we go. So you can see the bolt moves freely. So now we're going to have to move this bar into position, and I'm going to have to send the bolt through the other side so that it can grab onto the nut and the bushing here, and at the same time put this into place. So first I'm just going to get this into position. I'm going to have to move this bar down onto my lap and readjust it with the screwdriver to put some pressure on these springs. Okay, so now we're just gonna, we've got the bushing in. So what we're gonna do now is just gonna make sure that get that in place. We have to move this arm out of the way in order to put this into place, the sensor, and then we're going to slide our screw through. Okay, so I just realized I just have to take the sensor off so I can put it in position, and that way I can fit everything in. So I just got the sensor disconnected. I'm just going to put this around here and I can plug it in after. I'm just going to release this back into place with my screwdriver here. Okay, so there we go. We've got it in place. Now we just need to lift this up and just adjust it so that the bolt can go through. So WD-40 on this bolt. Okay, so we've got the bolt in place. I'm just hand tightening it right now. Okay, so same thing with this bolt here. I'm just going to give it a tad bit of WD-40. And I'm just going to go ahead and screw this on. Okay, it's a little hard to get by hand, so I'm just going to use the ratchet. We can connect this again. Okay, that's connected. Okay, so what's left is the 3/8 bolt and nut. This holds the sensor into place. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw the bolt through the outside, and then I'm just going to use this nut and secure it with a 3/8 wrench. Okay, so we're just ready to start it, and we're going to see if the sensor and the magnetic bushing, everything is working correctly. So as you can see, I didn't have to fight with the bar, I didn't have to smash it. That means that the sensor's working, it's reading that the safety bar is in place, everything's working now. So that's it for this video. I just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that bell, turn notifications on for upcoming videos, share the video, like our video, leave a comment, anything else you want us to see us do. please let me know and I'll be happy to do that. Until then, we'll see you on the next video. DoItAllSealing.com. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.